one here, and another one here, and ready to hoist the flag. Thursday, 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 Thursday. And every day this week, we've been looking at boats and ships through the round window. Come down to the harbour. There's plenty to see. A passenger ship sailing out to sea. Ferries take people to work and to play. The hydrofoil hurries past, whooshing up spray. A tough little tug, tubby and strong, pushes the big boat. Hey, move along. The sails on the tall ship fill with the breeze, while little yachts sail wherever they please. Come down to the harbour. There's plenty to see.
Here's another boat here. It's a real sailing boat. Now, it's not in the water though, it's on this. It's called a boat cradle. And, well, up there, that's the front of the boat. And down here, this is the back of the boat. And this is where you steer it using this. It's called the tiller. You see, you can move it from side to side. And a boat like this won't go unless you put the sail up. I'll show you how it works. Now, there's a rope here. If I pull the rope, the sail will go up. There you go. Up, up, up the mast. There, a sailing boat. And a sailor. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.
And another sailor.
Hello, sailor. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that they could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.
Come on, you be a sailor too.
A sailor went to sea to see what they could see, but all that they could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.